Upgrade a dated room with contemporary touches. That's what we're aiming for with 100 interiors in just a year. And here's our 30th interior design. We're going to use Oksana's 36.1 square meter space. Clashing color palette, cramped furniture arrangement, uninviting vibe. We'll redesign the living area, bathroom, and bedroom space, turning this dated room into comfortable and functional contemporary interior. Want to see how? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly what we did, step by step using SketchUp and Enscape. This is Oksana's current layout. When you enter her flat, the bedroom is the first space you see. The furniture feels mismatched, which takes away from the welcoming vibe. A large wooden cabinet dominates the room, but doesn't contribute much to the overall design. Despite receiving natural light during the day, the space doesn't fully make use of it. The bathroom features an outdated bathtub that she plans to replace with a walk-in shower for better functionality and more room. The living area also feels unbalanced, with the oversized wooden cabinet overpowering the space and clashing with the other furniture. The mismatched sofa covers and chairs create a busy and disconnected look. Oksana wants to switch the locations of the living room and bedroom. She also mentioned that Boiserie is what they love as an accent, and keep her existing flooring since it is a feature of the place and changing it is expensive nowadays, which makes designing the space a bit more challenging. She's looking forward to a fresh start with a bright, contemporary style that feels inviting and cohesive. Her goal is to incorporate practical storage solutions and multifunctional furniture that elevate both form and function. Let's start in the living area. The before of the living area feels mismatched and a bit off balance. The big wooden cabinet takes over the room but doesn't really go with the other pieces. The sofa covers and chairs don't match, making the space feel busy and disconnected. The dark flooring and plain walls don't help brighten things up, and the old-style lighting doesn't add much either. Even with natural light coming in, the room just doesn't feel warm or practical. The design will have efficient storage, sleek finishes, and practical lighting to transform the living room into a stylish and functional space. The palette includes soft neutrals like beige and taupe with green and gold accents. Add decor like rugs, modern lamps, and simple vases. Light wood and brushed metal materials will keep it cohesive and inviting. Since she wanted to move her living room to where her former bedroom was, the area will be 15 by 24 meters. And since we are keeping this reddish-brown graniglia flooring, designing the space a bit more challenging. To start, you can change these white walls to an off-white shade to make the space feel more welcoming and fresh. You can add Boiserie wall accents to give the room a refined look, instantly elevating its style while tying it to the overall design theme. An L-shaped sofa can be placed in the main seating area. It's cozy enough for up to 5 to 6 people to sit comfortably while leaving enough space for easy movement around the room. A side table can be positioned at one end of the sofa for convenience, allowing you to keep essentials within reach. On the other side, another table balances the layout and keeps everything organized. You can easily walk through the area without feeling cramped. Decorative pillows in shades of green, beige, and reddish-brown can be added to the sofa. These tie back to the flooring and make the seating area feel warmer and more connected. For the coffee table, try a mix of round and rectangular shapes with built-in storage because it provides a spot for decor while hiding small clutter, keeping the room tidy. A soft beige rug beneath the sofa and coffee table not only anchors the seating area, but also creates a welcoming feel underfoot. Since Oksana wanted to update her old seating nook, replacing the wood table and chairs with a round marble table, featuring wood accents for a feel of modern but still fits the overall theme. Pair the table with beige velvet chairs accented with green and metal details. These perfectly complement the sofa and pillows, giving the room a cohesive look. You can hang a painting with shades of green and beige to complement the room's palette and adds personality, making the space feel complete. A plant placed behind the seating nook adds life to the corner while breaking up the hard surfaces with a touch of nature that livens up the space. For decor, you can use books, vases, and small plants on the side tables, coffee table, and round table to make the room feel more personal and styled. And a sheer curtain that gives a soft, airy feel while allowing natural light to gently filter into the room, making the space brighter and more inviting. Want something like this? Grab yours with the link below and use code DESIGNBURST for 15% off. Details in the description box. Accent lighting, like wall lamps, adds a soft glow and enhances the mood of the space, drawing attention to the elegant details. A mushroom lamp on one side table brings in a modern yet subtle charm. On the opposite side, a floor lamp near the door creates a relaxed vibe when you don't want to use bright overhead lights. This layered lighting approach adds depth and warmth, making the living room feel both stylish and inviting. And of course, recessed lights ensure the entire space is well lit, while maintaining a clean and functional look. What do you think about this layered lighting? If you love this design, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Next, the TV unit. Her current TV area looks like a temporary setup rather than a dedicated space. The TV is placed on a wooden dining table, which doesn't match the purpose and creates a cluttered feel. The chairs around the table seem out of place, and the area lacks a proper entertainment unit or cohesive styling. The surrounding decor is minimal, with mismatched wall art and bare windows adding to the unfinished look. Overall, the space feels more like an improvised corner rather than a functional and inviting entertainment area. Oksana wants the TV unit near the door for the new setup. Placing this painted off-white wood with a fluted wall accent is a good choice because it still complements the Boiserie design, even though they are different. This combination makes the space feel well-planned and connected. You can add a built-in console under the TV, which is practical because it provides storage for your items. The design includes open and closed shelves, and the gold handles add a touch of elegance to the TV wall. It's at a height that's comfortable for you to access without bending too much. For decor, you can place a small plant and some books. These simple touches make the space more lively and stylish without overwhelming the clean look. Adding strip lights above and below the acoustic panel highlights its texture and design, giving the space a modern and elegant feel, especially when the main lights are off. On both sides of the TV unit, you can install wall lamps with gold details. These match the console perfectly and provide enough light for this area without making it too bright. It's a thoughtful addition that ties everything together beautifully. Before moving on to the next area, let's take a moment to compare how much our design has transformed the space from its original look. Do you also want this TV unit in your home? Comment down below. Let's move on to the bathroom area. Oksana's bathroom have a 2.63 by 1.60 meters, feels tight and disorganized with the washing machine awkwardly positioned near the sink. The beige tiles and mismatched fish-themed shower curtain create an outdated and inconsistent appearance. The lighting is insufficient, leaving the space dull and unwelcoming, while the lack of proper storage causes toiletries to be scattered around. Additionally, the bulky pedestal sink and dated fixtures fail to make the most of the available space. For the new bathroom, the design will feature efficient storage, sleek finishes, and functional lighting to create a contemporary and inviting space. The palette includes neutral tones like beige and taupe, accented with green tiles for a pop of color. Light wood and brushed metal details add warmth and texture. To make the bathroom more organized and practical, you can start by placing the shower at the far end near the window, ensuring there's enough room for you to comfortably step in and out. The flooring uses textured materials that are not just stylish, but also provide a secure, slip-resistant surface. Alongside this, Victorian glazed tiles are used to give a sleek yet practical touch that enhances the overall look. We've included concealed shelves in the shower area, perfect for keeping your shampoo, soap, and other toiletries organized while maintaining a clean look. To enhance the experience, LED shower lighting has been installed above the shelf, providing a soft glow that adds both visibility and a relaxing ambiance to your shower time. A glass partition is installed to visually separate the shower area while maintaining a spacious feel. This setup ensures that you can move around freely without water spilling into the other parts of the bathroom. The wall tiles and floor in this bathroom design feature neutral-toned ceramic tiles. These tiles are sleek yet durable, making them practical for wet areas. They create a seamless look while being easy to maintain, adding a cohesive and timeless element to the space. The water closet is positioned close to the shower, providing easy access while leaving enough legroom for comfortable use. The washing machine is placed near the door for convenience, ensuring there's space for you to load and unload laundry effortlessly. A cabinet is placed beside it to make the most of the available space. perfect for organizing toiletries and other bathroom essentials. This solves the disorganized look of Oksana's previous bathroom. A hanging cabinet is installed above the other storage area, giving you extra room for essentials while leaving the space below unobstructed. On the opposite side, the lavatory is installed with built-in storage underneath to keep the area neat. An LED mirror above it adds both style and enhanced lighting, making daily routines easier. For the lighting, these LED recessed lights are positioned at a height that evenly illuminates the space, ensuring you can move around comfortably while maintaining a balanced and consistent brightness. What do you think about the new bathroom? Comment down below. Let's go to the bedroom. Oksana's bedroom feels outdated and mismatched, with bulky wooden furniture and bright clashing bedding that lacks harmony. The space feels cramped and uninspired despite the natural light coming through the window. Since she wanted to move her bedroom to where her former living room was, the area will be 16 by 68 meters. For the new bedroom, the design will have efficient storage, sleek finishes, and practical lighting to transform the living room into a stylish and functional space. The palette includes soft neutrals like beige and taupe with green and gold accents. Add decor like rugs, modern lamps, and simple vases. Light wood and brushed metal materials will keep it cohesive and inviting. Oksana wanted this kind of layout in the bedroom. It's good, but I think you can create a much better layout than this. To start, you can place the bed near the window. This bed is very comfortable with its soft fabric, a leather headboard, and sleek metal legs that add a modern touch. You can add a rug to soften the flooring and create a more relaxing atmosphere. Behind the bed, paint the wall with a woodlawn blue shade to give a calming vibe. Adding boiserie accentuates this area beautifully, making it stand out. On one side of the bed, you can position a closet. Instead of having two separate units, combining them saves space, making the room feel less cramped. This closet, with its gold metal and fluted glass details, fits perfectly with the contemporary theme, adding elegance and practicality. At the end of the closet is an open cabinet that can double as a side table. It's perfect for keeping essentials like books or decor close by. On the other side of the bed, a working area fits seamlessly. The wood table is ergonomic and comfortable, making it ideal for long work or study hours. Beside the working area, you can set up the TV unit. Boiserie accents were added here to bring cohesion to the overall design. Floating shelves above the TV unit provide additional storage for essentials or decorative pieces. Below, in the corner, a cabinet offers more storage without taking up too much room. For decor, hang a painting that complements the palette. It enhances the room's color scheme while adding sophistication. An LED strip rectangular mirror above the working area balances the light and creates a well-lit yet stylish corner. You can also include plants and books throughout the space, bringing freshness and personality to the room. For lighting, a black wall accent light near the TV ensures subtle illumination for nighttime use. A gold mushroom lamp adds a warm glow, perfect when you need soft lighting for reading or relaxing. On the opposite side, an adjustable wall lamp offers flexibility. You can move it to suit your preference and tuck it back when not in use, keeping the space functional. Near the door, a sofa bed is the perfect addition. It can easily convert into a bed at night, providing extra sleeping space, and during the day, it serves as a sofa, saving space and adding functionality. You can also add a sheer curtain on the door to soften the light and create an airy feel. To highlight the area near the door, Boiserie with acoustic panels was added for texture and sound control, creating a polished look. Finally, a gold wall light elevates the ambiance, giving the space a warm and inviting glow. Next, let's take a moment to compare how much our design has transformed the space from its original look. The three spaces are now fully designed, so let me give you a quick tour to show how everything turned out. And if you also have a room you'd like to redesign using different design styles, feel free to email us at designburst26@gmail.com. Make sure to include the following in your email subject. Recently, we've received a lot of emails, but we noticed some of them didn't include a response or the details we need to create a proper interior design. So, we need your help. Please make sure to provide all the necessary information so we can better assist you. We look forward to hearing from you and collaborating on your dream space. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.